In this video, we'll explore the Wiring Task Manager feature of the nVent HOFFMAN design to manufacturing software. After completing the design for a project in DTM panel, a project version attribute can be added to the project properties. When the project is imported into the DTM SQLite database, the wiring information is compiled for the Wiring Task Manager. When the Wiring Task Manager is opened, the wiring tasks are filtered by high-level assignment and location. The number of completed wires for the selected location is shown, as well as the project's total. The bundle and wire numbers match to the PWA's production output. Each wire is displayed with wire and routing information along with the 2D visualization of its route. Wiring tasks can be marked as complete, automatically moving to the next wire, while forward and back arrows allow direct control.